Hello, good morning, students. This is CR sir. So today I am going to discuss probability mains 2020 questions. Only 3 questions are there. See the first question. Let A and B are two events set. P of exactly 1 that is equal to 2 by 5. P of A union B that is equal to 1 by 2. Then P of A intersection B they are asking. Here confusion is P of exactly 1. How to take exactly 1? For suppose this is A set, this is B set. This is A, this is B. Now this is only A. That means this is we can write A minus A intersection B. This part is only B. That means B minus A intersection B. Okay. So probability of exactly 1. Exactly 1 that is equal to 2 by 5 given. Exactly 1 means that is P of A minus P of A intersection B plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. These are exactly 1 means either A or B, anyone. This part or another part. This is also anyone we can consider. So that's why I'm written P of A minus P of A intersection B plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. That is equal to 2 by 5. Here already given P of A union B value is 1 by 2. What is P of A union B formula? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B means that is P of A union B only minus 2 by 5 sin left hand side and P of A intersection B sin right hand side. P of A union B means how much? 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5 that is equal to P of A intersection B. Now 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5, how much? Calculate that. LCM is 10. Now we get here 5, here 4. That is P of A intersection B. Therefore, finally, P of A intersection B is 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 is the answer. That means first option is the correct. Here confusion is P of exactly 1. That means whatever I shaded, those place we want to take. Are you understood now? Right. I'm going to next question. See the second question in 2020 mains given. So the question is P of A is equal to 1 by 3, P of B is equal to 1 by 6, where A and B are independent events given. Independent events means what is the condition? P of A intersection B is equal to, that is P of A into P of B. This is. Now go to the options. In first option and fourth option, P of A by B value given. What is P of A by B? That is P of A intersection B divided by P of B. But P of A intersection B, we know that formula P of A into P of B divided by P of B. So P of B cancel. Remaining what is there? P of A. What is P of A value? 1 by 3. See here in first and fourth option, that value is cannot 1 by 3. So Those options wrong. Next, go to another one. That means second and fourth option. A by B complement. So P of A intersection B complement divided by P of B complement. So that means A and B are independent events, means A and B conjugate also independent events. So we get P of A into P of B conjugate divided by P of B conjugate. These two is going to cancel. Now we get P of A. What is P of A value? 1 by 3. Observe that finally we got P of A by B complement value is 1 by 3. That means second option is correct. This is also very easy question. Now, see the fourth question. This is a random variables related problem. So this is not fourth question, sorry, third question. So see the question, what they are giving. First, they're asking P of X greater than 2. P of X greater than 2. So first we need to find K value. Probability of X is equal to Xi. Sum of probability, that means sigma P of X is equal to Xi, that's value should be 1. So K square plus 2K plus K plus 2K plus 5K square, that is equal to 1. Now here 6K square plus 5K minus 1 is equal to 0. How to write this? 6K square plus 6K minus K minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation now. That's why I am going to split into factors. Next. See the calculation. How to do that calculation? Now 6K common, remaining we get K plus 1. Here minus 1 is common, we get K plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 6K minus 1 into K plus 1 is equal to 0. So finally we are getting K value is, one is 1 by 6, another one is minus 1. So negative cannot be exist. The probability is always positive. So K is equal to 1 by 6 is exist. But what they are asking, P of X greater than 2. That meaning is greater than 2 means we have to take P of X is equal to 3 plus P of X is equal to 4 plus P of X is equal to 5. Observe those values. X is equal to 3 means K, 4 means 2K, 5 means 5K square. Totally 3K plus 5K square. In place of K, substitute 1 by 6. We get 3 by 6 here. Here 5 by 36. Now take the LCM, 36. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5, 23. So P of X greater than 2, we got the answer 23 by 36. So fourth option is correct. So this is also very easy question in 2020 mains given. Students, all of you understood now? Still now, not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe that and like the video, share to your friends. Okay. If whenever I upload video, you will get the first notification when if you are subscribed my channel. Okay. Thank you.